Hello there. Today we'll be discussing today's Leetcode daily challenge problem, that is 520 detect capital. And the problem statement goes by: we define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. That is, all the letters in the word that is given to us is caps, that is capital letter. All letters in the word are not capitals like this, and only the first letter is capital. That means, say, it is pretty explanatory, but I'll still just show it to you. That let's say if we have a word USA, that means all the letters are capital, so this is true. If one of the letters, like something like this, USA, then this is also true. If I have all lowercase characters, that is USA, this is also true. But I cannot have something like small u. Mind you, this is small u, this is big S, and this is small a. So this is not true. So we just need to check if these three conditions holds true, then return a true, otherwise return a false. And this is what the problem statement is. And let me just go through the intuition, what we going to do about it. So the intuition is that we'll just simply check if the character is lowercase or uppercase. That means I'll just count the lowercase character, I'll keep a track of the lowercase character, I'll keep a track of the uppercase character. That is, if the uppercase characters here are what, 3, this is uppercase, and what is the lowercase, that is 0 right here. So if I get the uppercase character equivalent to the size of the string, that is here 3, and I can return obviously a true, since this satisfies the condition that every character is true here. And let's say if I've got something like, let's write here u, and then u, let's say I have a small f here, and then I've got a here. Okay, let's take this. So the size of the string again is 3, but as we see, what are the number of uppercase characters here? 2. And what are the number of lowercase character here? That is 1. So this is not equals to the size of the string, that is 3. So this is not true. So one of the valid conditions was not met, so I cannot return true, so I'll return false in this case. Now let's check for other condition that is given. So let's say if I have a capital letter at the front and two small letters, so how do we deal with this condition? So this is pretty simple again. So what are the number of uppercase characters? That is 1 indeed. What are the number of lowercase characters? That are 2. So I'll just check if my uppercase character, that is the first character, I'll just check for if my first guy in the string is a uppercase character, is an uppercase character, and if the length minus 1th guy, length minus 1 is equals to the lowercase guy. That is, what is my length? That is indeed 3. So I'll just check for if 3 minus 1 is equals to the lowercase characters that we have got, and indeed it is. So I'll return a true again. So this is the intuition, and let's get to the code here. So there are pretty simple codes I've watched in the discussion code, but this is what I had came up with when I first saw this problem. So I'll be showing you this, and if you want, you can implement the other ones as well. And the time complexity remains the same, and that is O of 1, no matter which code you use here. So let's get to this. So this is the size of the string. Now I'm just counting the lowercase characters. If it is lower, I'm be storing it here in this L++. If I have a uppercase character, I'm just storing and incrementing the count of uppercase character in this R variable right here. And what are the three conditions that we have got? I can have something like, I'll be just writing the conditions. I can have something like U as A. So this condition takes care of that value. That is, if my first guy is uppercase and the other two are lowercase, I'll be using this. So this is this clears the uh, value for this condition, and let's erase this. And what does this condition check? Let's see. If I've got something like, okay, sorry, I just explained the second else if condition right here. So this condition actually checks for if you have something like this, everything is uppercase, right? So this is what it says. So I can also remove this is upper, and I can just simply write if r is equals to n, then also it will work fine. And what I explained you at first, that was USA all caps. So this is for this condition. Now this is for this condition right here. So what do we have? If the first character is uppercase and the remaining ones, which says, which is and how do we get this remaining lowercase character count, which was stored right here, right? We incremented every time. So this is the L count. So the lowercase count we get from our iteration was 2. And how do we get to know that this is indeed true? I'll just simply do n minus 1, wherein n is the size of the string right here. So n minus 1, that is 2. So 2 is equals to 2, the count of the lowercase characters. So this gives true, and this in turn returns a true. So this is what it is. And let's get to this condition right here. What does it say? If everything is lower, how do we check that? So again, I can omit this part. If is lower, word 0. This is unnecessary, but I still did it. I don't know why. You can just simply do if L is equals to n. That means if the number of lowercase character are how many, so L will come out to be 3, and also the size of the string, that is the size of the string, will come out to be 3, and which are equal, so it will return a true. And if none of these cases are met, we get something like U and then a capital S and A, something like this. I will just return a false. And these are the three cases that we need to cover, and this will get U and AC accepted. This is just an abbreviation, and I'll just run this. Oh, yeah, I'll just run this. I'll not just submit this again unnecessarily. This is a submitted code already. Okay, this will get an AC. I'll just show you. I've submitted it previously, so it's right here. I'll just show you this. Okay, I'll just show you the submitted code again. This is the same exact code that I had written, but I'll just show you anyway. Yep, here it goes. This is the submitted code, the exact same one, but still I showed it to you anyways, whatever. And thank you for watching.